Alright, ready? What's... Go ahead, open it. Let me see.
Front closet.
This is the front hall closet. Oh, man. You can't see all the water coming out. It's too dark. Denny's tools are all wrecked.
Cooler's full of water.
Is it full of water, really?
Yeah.
Ugh, gross.
Can you get the puddle? You have the flashlight?
It doesn't come out. Where's the flashlight? Ugh, look at the puddle of water shining in the corner there.
That thing. Oh.
Oh, what is that?
It was full.
Seaweed?
I
Ew. Oh, my Zico. Alright, I'm into Sean's room. I had to open the window. The smell is so bad. We come upstairs. There's water spots on the ceiling from the water coming in through the vent. Okay, here's the house. Mud on the front porch. The water line is right there. You can see the condensation in the windows. All the windows have water on the inside. The front stoop, the seaweed, the mud, the sludge. You can see the water line on the front door. The water went halfway up the front door. And there's the water line where the seaweed is on the wall. You can see the water line, the mud and the molding. As we come in the house, you can see the water went up to the second step and the mold that's growing on the steps. Come into the living room, the kitchen. It's all mud and the molding. We've just opened the windows. The windows are all steamy from the water in the house. Puddles on the floor. Rocking chairs have mold all over them. Rocking chairs have mold all over them. Sofas are wet. Mold all over the furniture. Baseboards. Baseboards have buckled. See how the baseboard's curved? The hardwood floor is buckled. See the buckle in the hardwood floor. Mud all over the hardwood floors that are supposed to be brown. This is the kitchen. Do you have the light, Maureen? Shine the light over here. The lantern. Oh God, the smell. Ugh. All right. The stove. You got the flashlight? You can shine it here. Thanks. That's good. The stove. We got the JennAir downdraft stove. The microwave. The GE Profile refrigerator with the water dispenser on the inside. The GE Profile refrigerator. Stainless steel. Oh God, that smell. Ugh. There's the refrigerator. Maureen's Calphalon pots.
No, all clad.
All clad, sorry, all clad pots.
It's full of water.
That are full. Oh, gross, it's full of water. Ugh. Oh, look at the inside of the cabinet. Oh. It's all buckled and moldy. Oh. Alright.
Here, look at this. Get this thing. So sure.
It's hard to see. Alright. Got 3 minutes. God, the smell. The KitchenAid dishwasher. It's all water under the sink. Mold growing in pots and pans. Look at the copper pots have mold on them. Look at that.
What's that? White stuff? That's mold?
And going into the back room. The sofa, the sectional, The recliner, the TV, all
And the tub.
water in it. There's all sand and mold inside the cabinet. You got the grill from outside. The ping pong table has all mold on the bottom. Here's the awning and the sectional. The washer, the dryer, the Electrolux, the electric vac, our solid wood door. That's how high the water was, up to the middle of the door. Cherry cabinets, beautiful cherry cabinets, all molded and buckling. This is the carpeting that we pulled out. And Maureen's paddleboard has mold all over it. And our kayak, we pulled them all out. The Einstein Mungi rug, beautiful white wool rug. Alright. Alright.
I'll wait for people to go.
Oh, you got the cabinet door open here? Alright, pantry. Oh gosh, all the mold. The sheetrock's all buckled in here. And then here is the bathroom.
Buckled too.
Ah, the door's all pulled and buckled. And then the bathroom has all mud. The bathroom toilet, the water was up over the toilet. In the shower. All mold. Now this whole wall is buckled. Look at that. The whole
Oh my
wall,
gosh.
the whole wall bows
There's
out.
water in there.
Because the water was outside, right there. The whole wall is buckled in the bathroom. That whole wall needs to be ripped out. Vanity's all moldy.
And there's an camera.
Oh yeah, open the cabinets, there's water in there. In the first floor bedroom, we have bunk beds and a trundle. Dresser is all moldy and buckled. Closet. Clothes and all the blankets, the toaster, the TV, all the bedding is all wet. Oh man. Window treatments and the mold all around the air conditioner. And on the baseboard was all moldy. Alright. I can't get the linen closet. The door is swollen. Door, solid wood doors swollen shut. I can't get in there. Master bedroom. Ethan Allen king size bed. Wicker chair all moldy. Ugh, smell. Antique dresser, the clothes in the closet, the electric box was underwater. Here's the Ethan Allen bed, my bar stools, down comforters, we have 9 down comforters here, Pottery Barn bar stools, sleeper chair, dresser, nightstand on this side. There's the lamps and all the Pottery Barn bar stools. Window treatments, blinds. This is how far up the water came. Look at the mirrors all buckled. I'm going to go upstairs. And we're going upstairs now. Ooh, smell. Oh. Gonna open the window. Okay, here's him. front porch. This is the house.